Do you miss having Parmesan cheese in your cheese shaker? Well, there's a really good AIP substitute that you could use, and I'm going to show you how. Now, you can use tiger nuts for this recipe too, but I don't know, I like coconut. So get the dried unsweetened coconut flakes, or make them yourself in this tutorial. Next, you're going to want to stick them in the oven just until they get brown. These things overcook really quickly, so keep an eye on them. You'll also smell them getting toasty. Just toast it up. So into our little coffee grinder. So we're going to put 2 cloves of garlic in here. Okay, 1, 2. Then we're going to do a teaspoon of salt and about a half a cup of this toasted coconut flake. So there we go, right in there. We're just gonna pulse this, because if you do too much, what's gonna happen is you're gonna end up with coconut butter, garlicky coconut butter. We don't want that, so we're gonna pulse this. Well, that's it. This smells incredible. There we go. Put it in the Parmesan shaker. It sprinkles out. Woo, that's garlicky. Okay. That's good. I think you could put a little more coconut, except when you add this to your food, it's going to dilute it. So I think this is actually perfect. This is going to add so much flavor to whatever you put it in. I'm like I'm floored by this. You could put some oregano and stuff in there, but no, this is really good the way it is. It's better than Parmesan cheese. You kidding me? I don't know how long this is going to keep in the fridge because it has the fresh garlic in there, so it probably doesn't matter because you're going to use this up within like 3 days anyway. Maybe it's something you'd want to freeze or just make in small batches. You're not going to miss Parmesan after this. It's salty and garlicky, and it's got the right texture, and it adds this supreme Italian-y like flavor. Oh my god. Anyway, I hope you love it. Let me know your comments below, and if you liked this idea, subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Thursday and sometimes bonuses on Sunday. Hope to see you soon, and until then, be healthy.